Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to learn how to do conversions in organic chemistry step by step, right? So, to do conversions in organic chemistry step by step, we have to have knowledge about descending series, right? In our previous video, we learned about ascending series. If you don't watch that video, then you can watch that video from this channel. However, I will give you the definition of descending series after this example. Okay, so we'll see the conversion of methanol from ethanol, right? So this is ethanol, and this is methanol, right? Ethanol has ethanol has two carbon. On the other hand, methanol has one carbon, right? So let me write ethanol. This is ethanol, right? This is ethanol. Well, if you observe the structure of ethanol and methanol, then you will see the difference of CH2, right? So CH2, the difference between ethanol is CH2 from structural side. So this methanol and ethanol are homologous, right? However, ethanol has one more carbon than methanol, so we want to deduct one carbon, right? So we have to convert this ethanol to ethanamide. Then we'll apply Hofmann degradation reaction, and we'll get one carbon less, right? So what we'll do, if we oxidize ethanol by potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, right? Well, you can see like this sulfuric acid, then at first you will get ethanoic acid. This is ethanoic acid, and ethanoic acid will react with ammonia, right? And we'll get a salt which is this is ammonium ethanoate, right? Ammonium ethanoate. This is ammonium ethanoate, right? Well, if you heat this ammonium ethanoate salt, then water will go away and you will get ethanamide. This is amide, right? And if you apply here Hofmann degradation reaction by applying sodium hydroxide and bromine, then this carbonyl group will be deducted and you will get amine, right? Methylamine. Okay, and if you add here nitrous acid, which will come from sodium nitrate and HCl, nitrous acid solution, then this NaH2 will convert it to Wedge group. That is, you are getting methanol, which is alcohol. So we are deducting one carbon, right? So what is the definition of descending series? The series of chemical reactions by which an organic compound can be prepared with decrease of carbon atom in chain from a compound of same homologous series is called descending series. Again, the series of chemical reactions by which an organic compound can be prepared with decrease of carbon atom in chain from a compound of same homologous series is called descending series. I hope you have understood this descending series, and this descending series will help you to do conversions in organic chemistry step by step. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.